This 4-bedroom, 3-bath home located in Meadowbrook is now available for the first time in 52 years. The main level of the home has an open floor plan with living and dining rooms both connected and lots of natural light. The kitchen is just off the dining, with hardwood custom cabinetry, breakfast area, and walkout to a beautiful screened-in porch with views of the fenced backyard. The main level has the primary bedroom with ensuite bath updated with walk-in garden tub, 2 other bedrooms that share an updated full bath. The lower level has a family room with gas fireplace, bedroom/home office, large storage or craft room, full bath with attached laundry and attached 2-car garage. This home has an updated furnace and water heater in 2021, and air conditioner in 2022. Many other great features you will find, like the extra parking pad for cars or RV.